In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GBP in PayPal. This is a very quick and simple process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If you want to hold British pounds in your PayPal account, the main thing you need to do is go into the Wallet section and add GBP to your list of currencies. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Wallet option and click on it. This is the area where PayPal shows your payment methods, balances, and the currencies currently available in your account. After you click Wallet, you'll be able to see your list of currencies. Take a moment to check what's already there, because this section shows all the currencies your account can currently use or hold. If GBP is not already listed, that means you'll need to add it manually. Next, find the option that says Add a currency and click on it. This will open the list of currencies that PayPal allows you to add to your account. The list may include several different options, so just scroll if needed until you find GBP, which stands for British Pound Sterling. Once you see GBP, select it and then click Add. After that, PayPal will update your account and include GBP in your currency list. And that's it. You've successfully added British pounds to your PayPal account. If you don't immediately see the change, give the page a quick refresh or reopen the Wallet section to confirm that GBP now appears in your list of currencies. This can be helpful if the interface takes a second to update. One small tip before you go. Make sure you're adding the correct currency you actually plan to receive, send or convert funds in, because keeping your currency list organized can make future transactions a little easier to manage. So again, the process is simple. Go to Wallet, check your list of currencies, click Add a currency, choose GBP, and click Add. Once that's done, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.